we are covering the next topic, that is conservation. Firstly, I am telling you about conservation. What is conservation? The preservation and careful management of plants and animal species in order to prevent their extinction is called conservation. And we should take measures to conserve our forest and oceans to protect the flora and fauna present there. Flora means plants and fauna means animals. So now we will discuss some protected areas. Now firstly I am telling you about protected areas. So various national and international organizations, they work together to conserve the nature, and the zones that are rich in biodiversity, that are known as protected area by the government to preserve and protect the flora and fauna. Now we are discussing first protected area, that is national park. So firstly we are discussing about national park in the protected area. So it is an area noted for its animal and plants life, and no human activity is permitted inside the national park. And there are 103 national parks, and the Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, this is it is India's first national park, which was established in 1936. Now we are discussing the next protected area, that is a wildlife sanctuary. If I am talking about wildlife sanctuary, it is an area marked for the purpose of protecting, propagating of developing wildlife or its environment. And human activity is limited in such area. So India has 543 wildlife sanctuaries, and which includes tiger reserves set up by the Project Tiger. Okay, so there are 50 tiger reserves in India, and some of them are in the Jim Corbett in Uttarakhand, and Kanha in Madhya Pradesh, and the Manas in Assam. So these are the some tiger reserves in India. Next one is conservation resources and community reserves. So these are the buffer zones, or you can say migration corridors between established national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and reserved forest. And like firstly I am telling you about that Tirudemurudar Conservation Reserve in Tamil Nadu. It is first such conservation reserve which was established in 2005. If I am talking about the next, that is the Biosphere Reserve. So Biosphere Reserve is what? Biosphere Reserve is an area where the flora and fauna as well as the traditional lifestyle of the tribal communities living in the regions are protected. Okay, like if I am talking about the Great Run of Kutch in Gujarat, it is India's largest biosphere reserve in India, is the home to the Indian wild ass and is a breeding ground for the flamingo. Okay, flamingo is a bird. And now the next one is, if I am talking about Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, that is in the Western Ghat. It includes 4 national parks and 4 wildlife sanctuaries. And now the next one is the Forest Reserve. So Forest Reserve is the forested land where activities like hunting and grazing are banned. Okay. And next one is the Marine Protected Area. So Marine Protected Area, it is a protected area of the sea, ocean and large lake. Next one is Zoological Park. Okay, so in Zoological Park, you can say that animals are housed in enclosure and displayed in the public. And zoos increases awareness about endangered animal and undertake breeding programs for rare and endangered animals. Last one is the Botanical Garden. So what is Botanical Garden? It is a garden established to conserve rare and threatened plant species. And the Royal Botanical Garden, Kew in London, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with a collection of 40,000 species of plants. Okay, so this was regarding conservation and protected area. Thank you.